A while ago, I made this 3D printed modular rail system, and today we're going to be taking a look at its second iteration. Now, they are a little bit different. The original uses a nut and bolt to attach things to it, while the new one has a T-shaped slot for quick toolless attachment. I also put some indents on the back of it so we can mount it using double-sided tape, though eventually there will be holes for mounting screws, but I don't have those yet. I also made a tool to help with alignment. It's made out of 2 3D printed parts and held together with a 1/4-20 screw and wing nut. Now all we have to do is clean the surfaces with some alcohol, apply the Gorilla Tape, and stick it to the desk. Now I don't have any modules yet, but if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments.